The VEVOR Kids Drum Set is expertly designed to provide young drummers with a pro-level sound, thanks to its premium poplar wood construction and thickened pet drumheads. This 5-piece drum kit offers a wide range of components, including a bass drum, snare drum, tom-toms, floor tom, crash cymbal, and hi-hat, which cater to every skill level and encourage creativity. Designed for children aged 6 to 13, this drum set is more than just a toy. It is a tool for musical growth that enhances hand-eye coordination and sparks imagination. The adjustable drum throne ensures a comfortable fit for growing children, with its 3-level height adjustment and quick bolt lock system providing stable support. The all-inclusive kit arrives with everything needed to get started, including 2 pairs of drumsticks, easy assembly instructions, and a design that grows with the user's skills. VEVOR's commitment to quality and safety is evident in their CE/CPC certified drum set, making it an ideal choice for budding musicians seeking a reliable and engaging musical instrument.